Welcome to our channel, where we bring you all the latest and greatest in home and outdoor products. Today, we're diving into a powerful piece of equipment that can transform your cleaning routine, the 4800 PSI PowerWasher with 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon. We discovered this robust cleaning system and have included the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the 4800 PSI PowerWasher? This high-pressure cleaning system is designed to tackle some of the most challenging cleaning tasks around your home, garden, or garage. With a mighty 4800 PSI output, this power washer can blast away dirt, grime, and stains with ease, making it a must-have for any cleaning enthusiast. Now, let's talk about its standout features. First up, the 4 quick connect nozzles allow you to adjust the spray pattern according to your specific cleaning needs. Whether you need a wide spray for large surfaces or a narrow jet for stubborn spots, you're covered. The included foam cannon is another fantastic addition. It enables you to apply soap effectively, making it perfect for cleaning your car or patio. The foam helps to break down grime, ensuring a thorough clean without damaging surfaces. This power washer is suitable for homeowners, car enthusiasts, and anyone looking to keep their outdoor spaces spotless. If you have a driveway, patio, or outdoor furniture that has seen better days, this unit is designed for you. It's also a great option for those who enjoy DIY projects or need to maintain a clean environment for pets and kids. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're an avid car lover, the foam cannon will become your best friend. Just attach it, fill it with your favorite car soap, and watch as the thick foam lifts away dirt, leaving your vehicle looking brand new. Moving on to outdoor cleaning, the high-pressure spray is perfect for washing down your deck or patio. It effortlessly removes years of built-up grime, making outdoor spaces welcoming again. Additionally, this power washer can tackle tough tasks like cleaning sidewalks or driveways,